Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you a great recipe of chicken korma. It's going to be very yummy because I'm making it today. Show it to your kids so they can help you out. This recipe is done very quickly, so let's start it. First I put my pot on fire. I added oil. At first step, I'm gonna add these much spices inside my pot. Please add spices according to your taste. I'm mixing it and I'll fry it for 1 minute. You can see the oil is making bubbles. Now I'm gonna add my ginger garlic. Add ginger garlic according to your taste. I put them in. Now I'm mixing it. I fry it for 30 seconds. One whole chicken. Now I'm gonna add it in the pot. I'm mixing it very well. After 2 minutes, I'll add my spices. I'm gonna add turmeric, red chili pepper, and black pepper, and my salt in. So I'm going to put them in. I'll just add them in. Did it, and I'll cook it on low flame for 30 minutes. I took 2 medium-sized onions. I'm gonna fry it separately. I'll put my onion inside the pan so I can fry the onion as well. I'm adding my onion in. I'm mixing it. Keep mixing and fry till the color changes. I'm using these 3 beautiful tomatoes. My onion is turned golden brown. I'm adding my tomatoes inside. I'll add some water so the tomato gets soft. Now I'm mixing it. I'll lid it and I'll cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. Add a bit of salt and pepper inside. I'm adding them in. Oh, I'm adding the pepper. Some turmeric and chili flakes. Now I'm gonna mix it. To mix it well, okay? Chicken is done. I'm gonna put my masala inside. Masala inside. Now I'm gonna mix it very well. Keep on mixing. And make sure you mix it very carefully. And I'll cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. It's past. I'm gonna take the lid off. I wonder how is my korma gonna look like. I hope yummy. I took off the lid and wow, such tasty korma. The yummy smell is coming outside into my nose and I'm feeling very super starving. Garnishing, I'm putting these things, chilies, ginger, and I'm in the pot. Now I'm adding it in the pot. Now I'm mixing it. Don't beautiful smell come up and it looks so yummy, isn't it? Now I lid it for 2 minutes. The chicken korma is done. I can see the steam and I can feel the very yummy smell. So next time when I come into the kitchen, I'll share a new recipe. Bye! Your kitchen. Hope you find it different and unique. Bye!